If you want to eject SIM tray from Xiaomi 17T, but you don't have the SIM eject tool, then in that case you can use pretty much anything that is thin, straight and sturdy, so that it fits this SIM tray hole that we have in here. So of course it is thin enough so that it fits in here. It should be also straight because you want to avoid using angled, you want to avoid angled pressure. And something has to be sturdy as well, that thing that you want to use. Simply because if you apply that pressure, you don't want it to break. So the best alternative tool that you can use is probably paperclip, because it looks pretty much the same or very close to the eject tool in general. So you can unfold a small paperclip, so one end is straight, and then you can insert it gently into the SIM eject hole over here, and then you can press the paperclip until the SIM tray pops out. Besides a paperclip, you can also use a plain metal stud earring, not a hook or decorative end. Of course, you want to make sure that it is clean and straight, and then you can also press it into the SIM tray hole and press gently. You might also try to use a sewing needle or pin. It works, sometimes it works quite well because the sewing needle or the pin is thin. Of course, you want to hold it steady and press straight in. Once again, you want to avoid angled pressure. Besides that, you can also try to use a mechanical pencil tip without lead, and it only works on some smartphones, so you might not be able to actually fit it in here, but if you already have a mechanical pencil tip with the retracted lead, then of course you can try to use it. However, you want to be careful because of course plastic tips can break, so even though it is not as sturdy, you can give it a try, but at the same time be very careful with it. Now, you don't want to use any toothpicks or wooden sticks because they can break off easily. Safety pins with rounded ends will not work as well, and any screws or nails should be avoided. Anything thick or blunt is not going to work too. So ideally you want to get a paperclip. Like I said, you want to unfold it, just put it into this hole over here. There we go, and once it is in, you want to push it into the phone and make the SIM tray pop out. Then of course, once it pops out, you can just use your fingernails or fingers, and then you can just remove it from the phone, insert your SIMs, and then put it back into the phone and slide it all the way in. So that's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.